This is my review and summary of Crisco Organic Coconut Oil Refined. We have really gone to not using regular Crisco anymore, and we use the organic coconut oil refined just as a healthier alternative. Crisco Organic Coconut Oil Refined is a popular cooking oil that is extracted from organic coconuts and refined to remove the coconut flavor and aroma. One downside of the oil is that it does undergo a chemical processing to refine it, which some people may not prefer. However, it is a good source of medium chain triglycerides and has a high smoke point, making it suitable for high heat cooking. Crisco has a long history of producing vegetable shortenings and other cooking oils, and their organic coconut oil is a popular choice for those seeking a healthier alternative to traditional cooking oils. We love it. I bake a lot of bread and make a lot of cakes, and I use this to grease the pans now. I use this for just about everything that ever called for Crisco or things like of that nature, and it works great as a substitute. And it's healthier. Go out and get yourself some. Try it out.